Hello folks, welcome to another episode of King Wheels. This is the Mercedes GT63 hybrid monster with beastly power. It's a true god with its metallic appearance and German heart. Its 4 glorious liters and 8 cylinders work hard to deliver a mind-blowing 843 horsepower and 1440 Newton-meters of torque. Of course, Brabus couldn't resist adding a little boost to this powerhouse. They decided to go the proven route and upgraded the turbochargers, replacing the factory ones with more powerful ones. They also installed new brains with their own firmware on the engine. It sounds very promising in practice. Brabus promises us 930 horsepower and some unreal 1550 Newton-meters of torque. I can't wrap my head around how a 9-speed automatic handles such torque. These are just enormous numbers that make a car enthusiast's heart skip a beat. But that's where the fun ends, and we move on to the harsh reality. With this power increase, the 930 accelerates to 100 km per hour in 2.8 seconds. That's very fast considering it's a huge 4-seater barge with a rear sofa and a massive rear end capable of producing such performance. There is one problem though. It's only 1/10 of a second faster than the factory version. Even the top speed remains the same at 316 km per hour. It's clearly not what everyone expected from such a massive increase in torque. For these improvements in quotes, Brabus asks for a crazy $350,000, but it's slightly softened by the presence of a 3-year warranty. This price also includes Brabus' signature body kit with plenty of different carbon aerodynamic enhancements. It's pleasing to know that all these elements undergo testing in a real wind tunnel and actually benefit the car, contributing to its stability and predictable behavior. So, friends, what do you think of this Brabus tuning? As always, leave your comments under this video, and we move on. Honda has introduced the hybrid Accord in China, targeting those who value fuel efficiency. It is equipped with a 2-liter 4-cylinder engine and an electric motor, combining to produce 207 horsepower and 335 Newton-meters of torque. Honda promises a fuel consumption of around 5 liters per 100 kilometers in a mixed cycle. The large 17.7 kWh battery allows for an electric range of 82 kilometers. Visually, the hybrid Accord is almost indistinguishable from other versions of this model. It features the same new distinctive style, with a hexagonal grille and a sleek front optics that give the car an understated look, which some brands lack. Inside, the hybrid Accord is equipped with a digital instrument panel and a large 12-inch touchscreen display for multimedia purposes. It also comes with an advanced audio system and a new climate control unit as standard. Additionally, there are some interior elements covered in Alcantara, which is not typical for this class of vehicles. Now, let's talk about the price of this reasonably well-equipped Honda. It is priced at $32,000. Unfortunately, this price is only valid for the Chinese market. Even if the Accord were available in our market, it would undoubtedly be much more expensive. Well, that's all for today. Friends, subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any new videos. And don't forget about our Instagram page, which is available through the link in the description. Good luck to everyone and see you soon.